he goes. Is he going up the hill or not? Where's he going? Come on, Fido. This person's backing off. Getting frightened. Come up the hill. Oh, God, there's another one. Come on, move on my way. They look scary, don't they? Oh, they're getting taken over by the planet of the dogs. Or within this man, a human is maybe controlling them. That's all areas in the pits now. Is a Yang Wang U9. Looks cool though. It's something else, isn't it? How Lamborghini-esque is this? Nice. The car I heard of is the fastest car on the planet. I'll have to work that in miles per hour, but 496.22 kilometres, 3,000 pounds per square inch of torque. Jesus. Wowzers. Nice one. This is Chinese, they're clever, aren't they? Rolls Royce wheels, Fender top end. It's a big vehicle. Wow. All electric, obviously. It's a hell of a thing. Oh my God! Yeah, look at this. Oh, are they not coming out? Yeah, this is proper. Dave loves a good boot. Loves a good boot. Hanging your clothes up on here, Dave. Pull-up bar. You can do pull-ups on there for all those fit people. Oh, that's Dave I'm referring to. Yeah. Nice. That is ugly. That is absolute. He's in. Dave's in. He's got the car salesman involved. He's going for a sleep. He's going for a sleep. He's going for a sleep.
Tea about 6:30, is that right?
Tea about 6:30. 02 do 2. Is that enough? Is that enough? Uh-oh. Discotheque Dave. Old Cooper Pulse. So, what do you think to the Hammer? 6-litre coupe. Big arches. She's left hooker. Ideal for you in the old Switzerland. Oh. Proper of the period Gullwing. Are they just not? Give me goosebumps. Beautiful. They are just lovely. What a lovely piece of kit. Future Lab. That's apparently the future moon. It's the real moon. Mr. Moon. Electric. Future Jaguar. Maybe even drives itself. There's a man sitting there or not. Or a lady for that matter. Let's not think anything. Oh, which has got a steering wheel. Yeah. It's nice and cool in here, Dave, isn't it? He's getting a little bit... He's overheating, the poor boy. He's getting a little bit warm. What is his little bit World Cup? I'll see. Robot is now giving up. He's giving up. He can't be bothered to kick the ball. Come on now. Come on, he's not even bothered now. He was playing earlier until we started videoing him. He's giving up. Oh no, wait on. He's going to have a rest. Downward dog. Oh. He's trying to find the ball now. There we are. I'll headbutt it. Compensation claim going in. Too much headbutting. There we are. Yeah. Come on, pass to me. Pass to me. No, you pass it back.
He's M2. Nice.
911 Dakar. She's on some stilts. Nice. Look at that. There's big wheels on it. That drives quite well, to be honest. I do like a fuel tank in here. Audi Nuvolari. That's how the one is pronounced it. Looks like a Cybertruck in that colour. But not sure what I think of it really. It's very angular and I usually like angles. But yeah, not sure. First normal road cars that was a game changer performance, the RS2. Porsche engineered, Porsche brakes, in the best colour. That is beautiful. And a nice old RS4. Yeah, just love these sort of things. Q cars, love it. Afghanistan is looking sweet as. That's just like the one that I saw in San Marin. They showed the noise being taken up by the motorbikes over here. Really taken with this brand. 037, 039 replicas of the Lancia 037s. Sold all the 37s, Evo 37 there. But they are just lovely. I don't know what engine he said was in it, but it's great. About 47 pictures of these, but look at them, they're so bloody sexy, aren't they? Look at that. I mean, the martini stripes, everything. Just lovely, aren't they? This is what we saw at Secret Supercar. Look at the arches on it. Manual. Look at the dents on the sides. Superb. Dave, unfortunately, is not going to be able to get over the sill to get his leg in there. I don't know what this is, but a little boxer engine in it. That's not boxer engine. It's just how it's set up at the top. What I want them to do to my body. This is what I want them to do to my body. Just flick it. Please just flick the dust off me. Look at that for a GTV. Yeah, look at the look at the arches. He's got one. He's got it.
Has he?
Yeah, he's got it. Ooh, look at the gate in there. NSX Tribute with a roof scoop, fully blacked out because obviously it's probably prototyped, with some rear air scoops. Ooh. Looks a bit NSXy at the back, to be honest. I do like these new fins that they're putting in front of wheels. These Gunters look something else, don't they? So that looks like just a normal 4, if we can call them normal 4, but that's lovely. Look at the deep dish wheels. Yeah. GT3 style rear spoiler. Zero emission mod scooter. He's got every light and blooming wing mirror on that anybody could give you. It'll probably go, but do a bit of articles from CC Bruff Superior V-twin. Seat Cooper as I remember them as, but my god, doesn't look like any Seat I know. Fancy you going one of these little GRs. Meant to be real good fun. Turbo, which is weird because it's all electric, but what a piece of kit they are. With the trick handbrake in matte, fully caged up. Proper 5 turbo. Love these spoiler going over the roof. Up the sides. Engine in the boot. Proper opportunities of catching flies in your teeth. Again, this raw carbon weave. Just not really keen, but there we go. That's what we should have had. The event door. Really did it for me, the RS200, but the other thing now. Clever railing, isn't it? Miltic exhaust stand with exhaust as the railings. This is the car that got away. So I had one of these, 964 turbo, but in the midnight blue. This is in black. Mine didn't have the rear spoiler, but are they £250,000 now? 30 grand I give, 31 grand. I was late 20s, so it was a hell of a piece of kit to have. 198 I had that. Up to, I won't say where, just in case any policeman or listening person, but hell's teeth. That has some stereo system in it. Wowza. Funny one of these. Running a Renault dealership. They left me the keys for it. So I borrowed it. Drove around the city. Absolute weapon. Great fun. A small spoiler car. Yeah, I wouldn't mind having a whiz in that. All that, Turbo S cab. Drivers club is, but got some cool shape. Aston, so like 599, Koenigsegg, McLaren F1, HJ220, and Merchilla. McLaren in the green. Three-seater. Tourer in the green. Strong. I'm not sure that's for me, but it is strong. Absolutely mental. This guy's not surfing the internet. He's checking in on the car. Hello, Mr. Car. Are you all right? Yes, Mr. Computer Man. I'm fine. Right then, boys. I think we want to build a car, and we want to put the biggest engine in it possible. Okay, doesn't fit. Doesn't matter. We'll cut a hole out and then stick it in. Perfect. Nobody will notice. Yeah, that's it, making my YouTube look like a beginner. He's down there looking at that, and this and the other. Well, that's a serious setup in that, isn't it? Is that Toyota? These will kill belly. Look at that. Love some blown out on it. It's just like a little clip-on thing. It's old Team Renault collection wood. Who needs a courtesy tractor to get you to the forest stage? Not been up there yet. Don't think I'm going to make it. But I am in the best car park. It's worth just having a wander around here, to be honest. Nice M3 convertible. Little GT4 in the purple. My GT4 friend would know what that is. Oh, 360. Should have one of those. Loads of trouble, usually serious. Little Exige, nice. These little Zs are nice. Oh, nice GT40. R8. That's nice. Nice. Touring. Rivalto. Oh yeah, 740 limo. Dropped as well. Brilliant. 458. McLaren. They're good. M5. Brilliant piece of kit. Yeah, some little one's Ferrari. 550 manual. 95, 96. McLaren F1 BOV. The GTR exhaust. F1 Lotus. They are nice, the little Audis. Unfortunately, they just to me look a little bit plain. Well, I did used to like the first generation more with the, I remember what the names were. Used to have the blades down the side. You have different coloured blades. Camper's nice. Camper's nice. Anyway, lots of people at I8. Lots of people gone. We've got another hour and a half and then we're aviating our way home. It is going to be hot, hot, hot in the aircraft till we get the non-aircon on, aka I open the vents. Sorry, but that's where the singer stand is. But what a cool place. Might just do a bit of disco dancing before I get home. Look like this. 1934. Audi Quattro me. The Audi 100 went up the hill, but not very fast. Old Renault 5 with an engine. New Renault 5. Without the fancy 930 tag turbo. Nice. Oh. No car. No car. Not going to sleep. Bedtime now for the racing cars. Never seen the movie. Oh, Cars, that's the name of it. Anyway, does work. Who's in the private club? Don't mind if I try and black me way. That's a hell of a number, isn't it? So allegedly, Gerhard Berger's Pilates coming in. She's coming in fast.
Thank you, Captain Maverick.